we're gonna be drinking 2 liters of Perrier sparkling mineral water, or carbonated sparkling mineral water. I think that's what this is called. This is basically just like carbonated mineral water, whatever you want to call it. Just basically carbonated water. Apparently it's better than most carbonated waters or something like that, but it's supposed to make you feel like a lot better, like your stomach a lot better. So I'm gonna be drinking this here today because I've been feeling like complete crap for literally the past 2 days or something like that. And I actually wanted to get a video out for you guys here today. I don't actually know if this is gonna make me feel like any better, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know at the end. But I'm gonna open these and chug these like as fast as possible. You guys already know the vibes. You guys know how these chugs go. Also, make sure you guys go down below and smash the like button. Let's go. Alright guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. This is carbonated water, people. So this is gonna make the best sound ever. That's really carbonated. I'm scared it's gonna burst in my face. Alright, first one open. That nice pop sound of soda or something. That's literally going everywhere, oh my god. I'm actually gonna give you guys my thoughts on this because I've actually never had this before. And go. Oh, that's so carbonated. Got one down. Done. I would have to say this is probably like the most carbonated water I've ever tried in my entire life. The Perrier sparkling water. That was very carbonated, very carbonated. On a scale of 10, I'd probably say that this was like, honestly, this is probably like the best carbonated water I've ever had, honestly. Not too bitter. It just tastes like carbonated water. I already feel 10 times better. So shout out Perrier sparkling water. This was actually good. Or sparkling carbonated mineral water. Those were some loud burps there. I've actually gotten like a lot of requests, like people like wanting me to do this recently. So it all worked out well because like I've actually wanted to do something when my stomach was still hurting. I don't know why. It's probably not a good idea. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Road to 3,000 subscribers. We get closer every single day, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you're not yet already subscribed. That is gonna wrap up this video. I'm getting off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe when you stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. And we're out. Do not try stuff like this when you have an upset stomach. I don't know if this is good or not, but it worked out for me.